Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI MediaPad T3 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the safe mode on this device. Let's start by turning off our device, and to do it just press and hold the power button. When the menu appears on the screen, tap on power off option and then tap on it again to confirm. After the device turns off, we need to press and hold the power button to turn it on. And then we need to wait until the second logo of HUAWEI appears on the screen, and we need to press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons together and keep holding them. So let's turn on our device, wait for the second logo. It's gonna be like animation. And now press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons together and keep holding them until the device boots completely. Just keep holding them. And as you can see, our device booted into safe mode. And to exit this mode, we simply need to press and hold the power button. When the menu appears, select Restart and tap Restart again to confirm. And that's how you enter the safe mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.